So with these 4 LEDs installed in the outputs 1 to 4, we can have different kind of functions. So double click the on-off button to set different functions. Now we can see almost all of them are lighting green and only 4 of them have different colors. And these 4 buttons corresponds to these 4 LEDs and these 4 outputs. So this way you can program it by double clicking the on-off button, and you can program it to different kind of functions. So the first function is pulsing. The second one is called SOS, so it's sending an SOS signal. The third one is on and off. On, push it once again and it turns off. And the fourth one is needed to be held down, like a starter, for instance. And when I release it, the output shuts. So these 4 functions are available and individual programmable by pressing the on-off button twice. The key are blinking, and then you can choose whatever function you want. This is how you program your PDM and your key.